Sometimes, danger is all around us. Anxiety, worry, these emotions can overwhelm you. Don't. Wait for danger to strike. You need a reliable helper. This is the Xsense XS0BMR smoke alarm. It's slim, easy to install, ensuring full security for your family. It can monitor indoor smoke anytime, anywhere.
Warning: smoke detected in living room. Evacuate.
Easily silence it via the app.
Smoke alarm silenced.
No need to run back and forth. Deal calmly with any incidents it alerts you about, ensuring everything is okay. The XS0BMR will tell you where the danger is, so you'll know what to do.
Warning: smoke detected in kids' room. Evacuate.
Even when you're away, the device sends you alarm messages to your phone, keeping you informed about what's happening.
Danger cleared.
Ow! It not only provides voice alerts and location information, but also offers voice prompts for low battery, malfunctions, mute status, and when connecting to base station. Xsense, your safety expert.